Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I make this traditional medicinal Edo people soup. If you want to know how I make this, stay tuned. Here we are, beautiful people. Before we start cooking, I would love to introduce all the ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe. Here I have my dry bitter leaf. You can also use fresh bitter leaf if you have it. This bitter leaf is just coming from Nigeria. It's still very much fresh and I decided to use it for this recipe. I will place it on fire. You can use potash to cook it if you want it to be softer. Depends on how bitter the bitter leaf is, but I don't want to use potash. Sometimes I get purged with it. Here is the goat's meat. I will be using goat's meat, beef meat and ishaki for this recipe. You can use any type of meat of your choice, and these are well washed because I don't really need those light blood, those meat liquid on this soup. I wash them with hot water, it's like I parboil them. I just wash them very well. You can see how white they are looking. At this stage we'll go ahead to cook the meat with some onions, habanero pepper, Maggi cube and salt for taste. In this recipe you don't really need too much spicy or ingredients on it. Just make it so natural and delicious. This is so easy and healthy too. I'm going to mix everything together and add the Maggi cube, as I said, salt for taste. Then I will allow them to steam. So we'll put it on fire and go ahead with the rest ingredients. Here I have some dry fish. I have some bonga fish here. It's been disboned. I have some bori bori. I don't know if that is the real name. I also have some okporoko fish here. You can use any type of fish of your choice. So these are the ingredients. Here I have my microfish. If you have been following me, you know I love microfish. Here is microfish and onions. This is the most important ingredients you need for this recipe. Here is the dry shrimps, or anytime as we call it in my place. I have my scotch bonnet pepper as well. I have my salt for taste, Maggi cube and oil. These are the ingredients you need for this recipe. You can see the bitter leaf is well cooked. It has been cooking for some minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and wash it. Here it has already been washed. Here my meat have steamed. I will add much water to cook the meat very well. After adding enough water, we'll cover it to cook for some minutes. You can see the meat is well cooked at this time. Here I will pour in my dry fish and allow it to soft or cook with the meat. At this stage we'll go ahead to blend all the ingredients that need to be blended. Here I've already blended the onions and the habanero pepper separately. I'll go ahead to blend the bitter leaf. We'll take time to blend this bitter leaf because you know it's dried and it needs some time to be smooth. I will also blend the crayfish as well. So at this stage I will say thank you to my old and new subscribers. Thank you all so much for always tuning into my video. May the Lord bless you. If you are new, you are welcome. My name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, what are you doing? Please hit that button that says subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our video. Thank you all so much for all the support. I do really appreciate it. If you have not tried out this recipe, please go and try it. You will definitely love it. I'm going to pour in the bitter leaf, add my anytime, add the Maggi cube, the blended habanero pepper and onions. I'm going to allow them to steam together with the leaf. I will stir it together. After some minutes, you can see how the soup is looking. At this time, my whole house are just, oh my goodness. I will add the goat's meat because some with those back were not really too soft. I will allow it to cook more, and I will also add the fish, but I will remove the fish after cooking it for some minutes. I will add my dry pepper as well. Here is a look after 5 minutes. I'm going to remove the fish and continue with the soup. I hope you are still watching to this extent, and I say thank you if you do, and I know you will never regret watching this video. Here I will add my oil. We'll allow the oil to cook with the soup for some minutes as well. I will add salt and cover it. Oh my God, you can see the look already. The deliciousness of the soup is just popping out. I will add all the meats, all the protein, anything meat you want to add, you have to add it this time. So we'll allow the food or soup to cook finally. Without being told, you know this is well prepared, delicious, healthy and medicinal. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please remember to share, like and subscribe if you have not yet done so. At this stage, I will add a fish. Please, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.